Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engines. Today we're working on a Ranch King. It's a 10 horsepower Tecumseh 28-inch wide cut snowblower here. They were using it and the auger quit working, so we're gonna tear stuff apart and see if we can't get it figured out why it's not working. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, first thing we're gonna take this cover that protects the belts. We're gonna take that cover off. That's 2 3/8-inch bolts. Take that off. And there's one on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna put a wire on the handle that tightens these belts here and make sure the belts are tight. They look kind of loose, but we'll check it out here. Well, they're sort of tight. Could be tighter. We'll just pull the rope. Make sure it's not gonna start, but I'm gonna pull the rope and we're gonna see if the augers are turning. Well, the auger is turning. There's a little adjustment on that idler pulley. I'll show that on the other side. I think the belts could just be a shade tighter. Take the camera to the other side here. Okay, here's your idler pulley right here. That's what makes the belts tight. It still spins freely. Sometimes these will freeze up. They'll get moisture in the bearings, or the bearings will go bad and they'll quit working. But this seems to be working okay. And the next thing we're going to check the tension of the cable. You know, sometimes you can tighten that cable to make it go in more to make the belts tighter. Because I think what happened, they were probably snow blowing, and maybe some snow got in here and the belt started slipping because it's working fine now. But we'll see if we can't tighten that cable a little bit. Okay, right up here is the adjustment part of the cable. There's a nut right up here. We'll loosen that up. And all you gotta do is turn this rod that's attached to that cable, tighten it up a little bit, and We'll tighten that nut back up so it don't come loose again. So I'll just tighten it up like that. Now we'll go back to the other side and we'll put the wire on the handle here and see if the belts get tighter and see if it didn't solve the problem. Okay, I'm going to squeeze the handle here and put a wire on it, see if we didn't make that idler arm tension get a little bit tighter. Oh yeah, that's much better now. A lot tighter. Yeah, as you can see, them belts are nice and tight now. I think that's what their problem was. They were snow blowing, some powdery snow got in there and got the belts wet and they started slipping because they weren't tight all the way. So, you know, before you start tearing everything apart, just check the simple stuff out. You know, maybe it's something simple, but you have to split it, put new belts and stuff on, but, you know, these belts still look good and everything. So let's take it off the table and make sure it works good. All right, let's start up and make sure the auger and everything is working good and everything. Like sometimes it don't have to be hard things, it's just simple things to do to get these things going. And in this case here, just a little bit of adjustment on the cable that tightens the belt. So put the throttle all the way up, choke on, ram it, make sure we have gas in here. Well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching, and you have a good afternoon. Hi, this is Mark from L&M Smallenge, and if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks.